Guys, Ray here, and today I'm gonna free up space, and then I'm gonna show you my ringtones. Okay, just show this up, and I'll pause it, and then I'll let you go, and then sound as you play Rock 124, Phase Rug, Guava Juice, and Infant List. You did freaking best videos. You're super awesome. Okay, so I'll free up space, which it says right there. Look at 5.17 gigabytes. Well, I'll let you go. Bye. Guys, this is kind of getting hard. I'm trying to, get stuff, but they're the best, and I didn't want to delete them, but we got to because there's low storage. Never mind. That was weird. Someone just randomly. Yeah. Okay, guys, she scared me. I was like, someone just closed my door randomly. That's weird. She just scared me. Okay, let's get started. None. It's the same one as this one. And this one's the same one as this one. So over here. All these ringtones want to make me cry. It's weird. Same one. Well, that's all at 6:30 means that I gotta call my friend named Bubba, or my aunt. I don't know. She's my grandma. I don't know. And I'll call her. Repeat. Shout out to you, Guava Juice, and Plain Rock 124, Infant List, and Phase Rug. If you want a shout out, I just give them a shout out for free without having to subscribe, because they make good videos. Try to make good videos, guys, okay? Thank you, and I will give you some, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe button, like button, and notification bell, and thank you, and goodbye.